Do you know that the Ankaful Psychiatric Hospital is the only psychiatric hospital in the central region, serving the central, the western, and other parts of Ghana? This hospital was built by Kwame Nkrumah in the year 1965. Now, Ankaful Psychiatric Hospital is pleased to announce to the general public that we are celebrating 60 years of excellence. In Ankaful Psychiatric Hospital, we do not only offer psychiatric care, we also offer general medical services. We have our 24-hour pharmacy, and then we have a rehab facility here for those who are alcoholic and drug dependent. We are not only concerned about your mental health, we are concerned about your general well-being.